How to make the devil sad. Yeah. What a topic. Yes, you can make the devil sad in many ways. You see, when you choose God and you ignore the devil, you make him sad. When you choose obedience, kindness, when you choose love, when you choose forgiveness, when you choose righteousness, holiness, you make the devil sad. When you refuse to do what he wants you to do, you make him sad. And this last one stands out in this episode. This episode captioned How to Make the Devil Sad. See, when you choose to be joyful and you stay joyful no matter what, you make the devil permanently sad because you've chosen to be permanently joyful. And that is what the Bible teaches. It said, rejoice again, I say, rejoice. Knowing that the joy of the Lord is our strength should make you stay on that flow. Yes, stay on the flow of joy and refuse to allow the devil frustrate you. When you maintain that lifestyle, you make the devil sad. And that is a good thing. And you make God be proud of you. And then things will begin to work out in your favor. That was what Paul and Silas did in Acts chapter 16. Devil was expecting them to be sad, but they ended up making him sad. Despite their condition, incarcerated, chains in their hands, their legs, they were still singing. They sang unto the Lord. And then the unusual happened. There was an intervention. And that's it. When you choose to make the devil sad, choose to be joyful, refuse to be frustrated, you're going to get an unusual intervention with time. And that is what I want to see you talk about, testify about. Okay, how do I know if I'm making the devil sad? Yeah, when you're joyful. Yes, and stay joyful. And sometimes, you can even see reactions around you. Yeah, when you're joyful, because the devil doesn't like it. And he can use people. They are not the devil. We will just not be happy for the fact that you're happy. Ignore such people and don't fight them. We wrestle not against flesh and blood. You fight the spirit behind, which is the devil, who wants you frustrated and you refuse to be frustrated, who wants you sad and you refuse to be sad. See, like I did in one of my episodes, life is short. Refuse to allow your emotion to be negative. It will affect you in many ways. Choose to be joyful, knowing that you are a child of God, and that is the King of Kings. Glory to God. And the earth belongs to him. You cannot be stranded. You may be having hard time for now, but it's just for now. Something great is on the way. Stay hopeful. Use your faith. Walk in love. Stay joyful. And your result will materialize. That's it from this hand. The Lord bless you. Like, comment, share. Like, comment, share. And subscribe if you have not subscribed, so you can be notified when next I publish. The Lord bless you. Cheers.